In the United Kingdom, anyone disposing of waste will be familiar with the waste transfer note, which is required for any waste movement. How often do you look at what you're signing? Do you understand that you're confirming that you have applied your duty to apply the waste hierarchy? No? Well, let's take a look. Welcome to EMSmastery, where we give you the strategies and tactics to master environmental management and sustainability. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Andrew Marlowe. This episode will focus on the entry on the waste transfer note, which confirms that you have fulfilled your duty to apply the waste hierarchy. It is a simple tick box answer, but what are you really confirming? The Department for the Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, Defra, published guidance on the waste hierarchy in 2011. This publication was made to accompany the new, at the time, regulations, the Waste England and Wales Regulations 2011. They say you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. In this case, you can. The diagram of an inverted triangle on the front cover provides a summary of the waste hierarchy. At the inverted base of the triangle is prevention, followed by preparation for reuse, recycling, other recovery, and finally at the apex of the triangle represents disposal, with the implication that disposal is the final option after having considered all the other possibilities of reuse, recycling and recovery of waste. The waste hierarchy is best understood by looking at one of the practical examples given in the guidance. We will look at wood waste. Starting at the highest waste hierarchy option, the first stage deals with prevention for wood waste, where businesses and individuals can help prevent wood waste by reusing wooden items and identifying ways to reduce the initial timber demand, such as lightweighting. So examples here would be reuse of furniture in another location or multi-use pallets. Beneath prevention comes preparing for use, where extending the life of wooden products through the preparation for reuse offers environmental benefits depending on the sources of virgin wood needed to be used and the refurbishment required. So here examples would be restoring kitchen wooden doors or repairing multi-use pallets. After considering preparing for use, the next option is recycling, and that depends very much on the type of wood and how well sorted it is. Recycling can be maximised by grading according to the end markets and use cases. Examples here would be to convert the wood waste into panel board, mulch or animal bedding. After recycling comes energy recovery, which may be a viable option for low-value wood waste and will very much depend on the type of waste wood and how well sorted it is. Examples here would be recovery of energy in an incinerator or use of the wood as a fuel option in homes. Finally, landfill, which is at the bottom of the waste hierarchy, would be the final waste management option, as wood breaks down to release methane emissions in landfill, which is a potent greenhouse gas and should be considered as a last resort waste management option. So the example here is landfill. I hope that this episode has given you an insight into the value of applying the waste hierarchy and how it could be used in relation to your wastes. If you want further information on the waste hierarchy and other documents referenced in this episode, this information is given in the description box below, including a link to the resources on the EMSmastery.com website. So consider applying the waste hierarchy before completing your next waste transfer note to give you the confidence to confirm that you have exercised your duty and could tick the yes box with the knowledge that your waste is going to be treated with the best environmental option. If you have any questions on the waste hierarchy or the completion of a waste transfer note, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to ensure that you don't miss out on other episodes on environmental management and sustainability. Until then, thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this video, you can watch other episodes by clicking on the boxes in the top and bottom right, and to subscribe to this channel, click on the link to the left. Thank you.